At OXO, all of our products have a lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Our salt and pepper grinders are attractive enough to bring to the table, but have workhorse durability to stand the test of time in the kitchen. Our 5 grind settings lock in place, so you'll never get a coarse grind when you've set it to fine, while the marked-on indicators show you what grind you can achieve. A ceramic grinding mechanism crushes peppercorns or salt easily and won't ever rust or corrode. The non-slip grip allows you to grind easily, even when your hands are wet or oily. The grinder is positioned at the top of the barrel instead of the bottom, so when you're done grinding, you won't leave any messes on the countertop or table. The clear barrel shows you when it's time to refill, and the large opening at the base allows you to quickly pour in salt or peppercorns without a funnel or a mess.